Welcome back to Psychopath Marketing. Last time we left off, we just completed the footer with some menu items here in 3 different columns, and we created a testimonials area with a slider, and we got an area here for more content, and we offset the colors to make them look nice. And what I wanted to do today was make it so that this is mobile friendly, because like I showed you in the last video, if you scroll down on a mobile menu or on a mobile phone or device, you get 3 menus instead of just one, when you can just, if you click that, you've got 3 separate menus. So what I want to do is have, for mobile devices, you should only see one of these. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and edit that. Now what we can do is go back to our footer template in Oxygen, and you go to the actual menu. Okay, under menu, if you got that selected, you go here and it says all devices. So if you go to this on that specific menu and go to page container 1120 or below, you can change this to layout under advanced and visible hidden. So if the screen goes to what would be considered mobile, you won't even see that menu. Okay, and we're going to get rid of this. Same issue. If you got that menu selected, page container, and change that, layout, hidden. Alright, and because those are hidden, that amount of alright, with all that hidden with your mobile menu in a mobile device, we can go back to here, we can click in the middle row there, and we can basically make sure that it's selected for anything page container there or below. We're going to create a new one, add, and we're going to go to WordPress menu. Alright, so we got a single menu there, and we can select the menu once we create one, and it'll go right there. And we can change it just like we did the other mobile menu earlier. Change that to vertical. We could make the mobile settings with the same icon styles, the colors, just like last time. So let me set this and I'll be right back. Alright, so I made the changes. Now if you click on that, you'll actually see the menu. You see I changed some elements, so let's go through these. Now first off, let's go through the mobile responsive. We'll go to icon styles. You'll see I changed the item color to yellow, so that's why you see it yellow there, but I also changed it to a hover color of white, so that when you're on a mobile device and you hover over it, you see it changes to white. We're going to go back to the menu and we're going to the styles, and I changed the background color of the menu. I changed the link text color and then the hover color. So if you click on the menu, you'll see that background's blue, the icon is still yellow with a hover of white. It's consistent. When you hover over these, they're white from yellow, and you see one single menu down here. Now one thing you're going to notice is when you hit save and refresh, go to the front, you see these menus still, or this menu, even though it's not on a mobile size, and we don't want that. That's messed up. So go back to the menu and make sure that it's set for all devices. You go to advanced, you go to layout, and hidden. Okay, so the only time you should see it is when it's below. Okay, and because we're on page container 1120 or below, we got menu selected, we want to go to layout, and it'll be visible. Now you see the difference. You go back to all devices, these are showing. When you go back to page container 1120 or below, those menus disappear and this one reappears. So let's go ahead and click save and hit refresh and see what it looks like. Alright, so we've got our menu. You can see we got spacing issues down here. We'll fix that down the road. For now, if you change this, that disappears and we're good to go. So that's how you create the mobile only menu, and you can actually change this to whatever menu you make in the menu section. We're going to make one of those, and then we can put whatever we want there when we create more pages. So that's how you do that, and that'll be the end of this video. And when we come back, we're going to play around with the content a bit more, maybe make some menus, maybe make some pages, and we'll see what we're going to do when we do it. Alright, so hit like, leave a comment, and make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification, and I will be back.